Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. And remember, like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell. The Westmoreland Fire Department has reported an estimated loss of $40 million arising from the fire that damaged sections of Hammond's Pastry Place in Savannah, Lamar earlier today. The fire reportedly started shortly after 2 p.m. from a deep fryer. 2 units with a total of 13 firefighters responded to the fire at the business establishment located at 18 Great George Street in the Westmoreland capital. Senior Deputy Superintendent of Fire Conroy Gans, the officer in charge of the Westmoreland Division, said the fire was contained to a section of the roof and a section of the building where the deep fryer is located. He said firefighters were able to quickly bring the blaze under control. Owner of the establishment, Russell Hammond, a former Jamaica Labour Party (JLP) member of Parliament for Westmoreland Central, said the damage was significant, adding that the business will be out of operation for up to a couple of weeks. However, he said, efforts are being made to have the business up and running as quickly as possible. Police are now probing the shooting death of a businessman on Caledonia Road in Mandeville. The man, whose identity has not yet been released, is said to have operated an air-condition repair and car mart business. According to the police, shortly after 1 p.m., the businessman was standing at the entrance of a restaurant and bar on Lower Caledonia Road when a gunman pounced and opened fire, hitting him multiple times. The gunman reportedly fled the scene on a motorcycle. The businessman was rushed to the nearby Mandeville Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead.